Morning, everybody. Tim from One for All Social. A little bit of quick info today, just how to bust the algorithm moment. So TikTok is one of the growing platforms out there. Influencers have an easy time being seen. They have an easy time growing. They also have an easy time crashing. So the algorithm is really what drives you, right? The more eyeballs see your stuff, the better off you are. That's why we're calling this the bust the algorithm moment. For TikTok, it's all about engagement. They don't want to see a video that just gets views. They want to see a video people engage with. People on that platform will flip in and out of a video in seconds. So that first 5 seconds of your video is vital. You've got to have it for those first couple of seconds, really grab people, pull them in, or boom, they are gone. So you need to have engaging content, you need to have it up front. You need to look for something that people are going to click like, repost, leave a comment. Engagement is key on that. If you're not driving engagement with your post, you don't exist. So you need to have content that forces people, or not forces people, it's the wrong word, but it makes people want to actually get in there and engage with it in some fashion. So think about that. There is a subculture on that platform for anybody. I think one of the most viral groups on it last year was Book Talk, which is probably the world's largest book club. As an avid reader, I didn't even know those existed anymore, but I'm really glad to find that Book Talk, there is a community for it on TikTok. So um, there's even a group for crocheting that kind of went viral for a while last year. So there is a culture out there for any topic area you want to discuss. TikTok has them all. Their hashtags tend to be a little unique. Don't worry, our system will help you out with that. But make sure your content is engaging from the front. Don't save the good stuff for the back. Make sure you pull people in right from the beginning. But have a great day.